It's a randomized trial, which means that patients are given one of these 4 treatments by random draw, but they can also end up in the control group where patients aren't getting one of these treatments but are getting standard of care. This is why there are 5 different treatment modalities within Discovery. Now, the Inserm Institute, which actually drives this clinical trial, it's a French institute. They actually said in the beginning there would be 800 French patients and 2,400 European patients. And it's been a month since it was launched, and they've only been able so far to recruit 740 French patients. And there's only one European country that has joined the Discovery clinical trial. It's Luxembourg. Now, it's true that this clinical trial had a really hard time kickstarting in the beginning for several reasons. One of them is because, like any other clinical trial with that methodology, some patients just don't want to take the risk to end up in the control group. Another reason is because the French government and the Inserm Institute, perhaps in the beginning, prematurely presented this clinical trial as being a European clinical trial and not waiting for the official consent of every country. It's a very expensive clinical trial, about 5,000 euros per patient. And that's why some countries like Spain, for instance, have decided to support other clinical trials like the one developed by the WHO, which is called Solidarity. Now, it's true that it is raising questions, knowing that Solidarity, for instance, is testing the exact same drugs as Discovery. It's raising questions about why there are so many little trials that are being launched all over the world and which are weakening the data about COVID-19 and the effects of those treatments.